Hi, gangsters. Here we are on another vlog. We got Johnny right here. Whoa, Johnny Twisted Tea.
No.
All right, what are we doing today?
Junkyard.
Junkyard run. What are we getting? Tell the viewers.
Dimmer switch. Discontinued.
Heard ya. We're talking about that switch over there. You can't really see it, but it's over there. Johnny, what are you getting at the junkyard?
Nothing.
Nothing. You just tagging along?
Yeah.
I bet. And me? I don't need anything. That's the inspiration right there. The GT500 right there on the dash. Is it a GT500?
Yeah.
Sheesh, where'd you get that?
The fucking the Walmart store, the big ass one.
The Walmart store?
Wahlberg.
Oh, Wahlberg. Heard you. Alright. We'll catch y'all when we get to the junkyard or find anything interesting on the road. Let's go. El car? Sheesh. Free rollers, bruh. If you find this video, let us know. Leave a comment. Leave a comment if you find the video. El car. Sheesh.
I was waiting for him to floor.
No, he on the floor, bro. Oh, he's turning.
Good boy.
El Co. Recruiting to the crew?
Nah, not with them tail lights. Got no back.
Sheesh. Those 22s? They look like 20.
They're GMC wheels.
Yeah, I know. Alright, gang. We made it to the junkyard. The drive shaft. Let us know. 11 gen. I want 50. Need a fender? Damn, look at this custom interior. Look at this. Cam? Hey, gutted this hole.
Oh, damn. This one was going out. Oh, shit.
What? The timing?
Look.
Oh, word. Look at the custom interior. Look at the center console. Custom wood grain, bro.
Oh, they took the switch.
They take the switch?
Let me take this.
Oh, the Lariat dash? This is a Lariat, right? It is. The speedometer, get that. Bro, why didn't they just take the whole carpet? They just.
OEM stereo? No, it's not the market.
Heard you.
Speakers for sale.
Oh, the factory speakers. The drive shafts are. Oh, look, more door panels. Oh, is it the other? Is this the other wheel? No, that's not. That was for the expedition that was over there. Like another one over there, 4x4.
I need that strip. Johnny, get the strap.
What are you getting?
I need this.
Why you need that?
When I go back to the controller. Bro. This fucking one.
Oh, you got it.
Oh, nice, nigga.
You got it. Almost there.
Is it moving?
Keep trying, bro. You got it, bro. You almost there.
Bro, it's not even budging.
It looked like it was moving.
He's a wheel.
Yeah, because this is going up. I don't see this anymore.
Oh, it is.
Yeah, see? There you go. Okay, where's the other strap?
Where's the other one, Johnny? Did they leave it on? Oh, they hauling.
Yeah.
Ooh, this thing is intact, bro. Daniel,
I don't need that.
you need your paint job. This is
I like paint jobs
lip.
better. What's that? Oh, lip there? You need a valve cover?
No.
Oil filter?
Oh, it's holding the toilet. I was about to take it off. Knock myself out.
That one's cracked. There's another F-150 back here. 4x4.
Forward drop, bro.
Dude, that one flipped. Damn. Boom. Is all you needed? Johnny, your tata's in there.
First good waits right here.
And look, a green one right here. Say next.
The green machine?
The gas tank?
There's no way that's on.
Oh, for Kevin.
Look for Kevin, yeah, when he does a short bed.
Axles? We can shorten our axles now. When we big lipping.
Bet. Get the other side.
Is it off?
Yeah, they took this one. It's gone. I don't see it back here. Bro, I think it'll take one side.
Oh, you can see the interior, bro.
See the interior? Which one?
Oh, no dash.
They took the dash? Oh, I never seen the inside. Sheesh. I never see the inside of it. Brakes to work?
Yeah, oh, this thing's are. Oh, look, that's a new updated one.
Which one?
This one. This is the one they sell everywhere, but they don't sell this one.
Dude, I think that's the one mine has.
Probably.
I think. If I remember correctly. I don't remember. But
This is glass.
for one of these doors. No, it's for this one because that one still has the glasses for this door. Huh? Oh, another one back here? Hey, you want to check this one out? I think it's in good condition.
The shocks are condition. Oh my god. Oh my god. They did not save this inside. The strap.
I can't see, bro.
Oh my gosh.
Looks good to me.
This is what happens when you do a sound system with Daniel.
Alright, bro. My sound system's still
You
good.
don't want to get on Daniel's truck because it's wiring.
My wire is A1.
Look, that's how it looks in the back.
Not even.
This could be the outcome right here.
Alright.
Bro, they always take that one, bro. I'm telling you, bro. They look for you.
You want the speedometer? I think the speedometer's in good condition.
So fucking cracked and shit.
It happened.
Bro, just spindles, bro.
Huh?
Everything's taken off already. This is damaged. No.
You just need to take off the ball joints.
The bottom and the top. What about the other side?
Oh, it's dropped.
Oh, it is off too.
Damn.
Nigga, I didn't even think of that.
Oh, credit card.
Bro, we could have hit a leak on these. Oh, bro, sub bar.
That's
This is what happens
that's the
when you
cause
do
of the
Daniel's
fire.
work. This is the cause of the fucking damage. What is this speaker? That is actually funny, bro.
Damn, pop up a little picture of your wiring.
Bro, I don't recognize that. Show him there's like a mark right there. Show him.
Oh, that's massive. That's the brand, massive.
Massive. Look what y'all did. Y'all did a massive fire. That's what y'all did. That's a big ass bar. That's a torture bar.
Uh-huh.
God damn.
Well, damn, they gutted this engine out.
Yeah, because the engine was still good, technically. The fire happened inside.
Why they cut?
The evidence. What?
This is the easiest two-wheel jack spinners we could pull right now.
You whipped it?
The tools.
We can go back outside.
We got the trim tools, though.
We're not taking that up with those. Is this a affordable yet?
Yeah. Dude, look at the frame. Why is it good?
Maybe they painted this. Oh, what the fuck? I'm blowing this thing. I'll pick this up.
What is that? The engine?
That's an inline 6, bro.
What the hell? Dude, look at the tranny. This truck was rebuilt. Look at the trans.
That was a stick. That's a stick, bro. There's a manual. Oh my god, bro! Look, they blew a gear. That's what you call a neutral right there. It's completely gone. Ford OBS wheels. If anyone needs some, they're down here.
What's that?
Oh, what we got here?
Oh, it looks like they were still painting it.
This is
But they gave up.
It's better I've seen.
Huh?
It's Kevin.
Kevin right here.
This is better than Kevin. Oh, the switch is good.
The switch is in it?
This is better.
Just about the rattles inside.
Yeah.
Why is there a fat ass hole right there? What?
Tranny blew and blew a hole through the fucking thing.
Well, they just.
This is what happens when you rebuild.
Hey, the strut. Oh, you still have to take it apart.
Dude, that's not even for this.
Is that? Oh. Alright, guys, little update. This is what we got. The grill. Johnny, put this on right now. We only got one of these. Strut spacer. Does your switch work? You try it or not?
We'll try it.
When did you get home? I heard you.
And then boom, it blows out.
And boom. Alright. Good little junkyard run. Sadly, we couldn't get the other side. But it is what it is. Let's go. Alright, gangsters. Here we are. Painting the mug. Jeez. Certified painter. What else are we doing?
Shout out John Port.
John Port. You can't even see the truck. Hold on. Alright, here we are with the trucks on. Main goal. We're gonna cover that hole right there. Axel says important. So that's the goal. And then we're gonna paint all this too.
Pink. Bro, you might as well paint that over there. Look.
What?
Over there. Black right now.
That?
Just a little huff.
I don't wanna get the bushing, bro. The bushing.
That bushing is gone.
The bushing is brand new.
There's no bushing there no more.
Oh, wow. Yeah, let's see. For the views.
You didn't even touch it.
I did touch it. What you talking about? 10 out of 10, let me know.
More forward, nigga. Oh, look, that looks way better already.
Ready for SEMA. Let us know.
Paint the rotors too.
Oh yeah, paint the rotors? 10K, I know what I got. No low balls, rust free. We'll get back to you when that's done. Alright guys, here we are, spray painting 101. Make sure you get light coats there. This is the first coat. We're about to do the second coat. Make sure you start over here first and then you get to it. Look, I'll show you. Just like that. Nice and even coats. Slow and steady wins the race. You know, you gotta up the side, you know what I mean? Certified painter. Get with me, book with me. I got y'all. I'll leave y'all's vehicles A1. Alright, let me get to the other side over here. Ciao, Johnny. Get this little flat spot over here. Nice straight motions. Don't have it too close, and you got it, bruh. Alright, second coat done. Wait 10 minutes. Third coat done. Alright guys, there it is. That, I don't think I did it before, but there it is.
Can't even tell it's aftermarket, bro.
It looks factory, bro. Looks like it was meant to be there. This is so I can drive in the rain. This is so I can drive in the rain. Mainly after I got the front tubs done. Well, they're not really tubs, but I just raised it up.
Hurry up before Micho gets it.
Heard ya. So, because before I raised it, it was lower, and I think it was covered. But now since I raised it, it's not covered. But now we just covered it. So we put some more tape right there. So we're chilling. Chilling like a villain. Alright, put the wheel back on and see how it looks. Alrighty guys, update. So here's how it looks with, oh dang, you can't really see it. Hold on, I got a flashlight. Give me a second guys. I can finally put my flashlight to use. I got this on sale. Boom. Look at this. Oh, you can kind of see it right there. Right over there. Yeah. It's doing good. Let me see, get it in between. Right there. Look at that. It's been 2 days since I put it on. And yeah, it's still on. So I think we didn't do a good job. I think I rattled a little bit because that's the only bolt that's holding it. But it is what it is. So you know what that means, gang. We can check it off from the list of things. I dropped the cap. Protect module. Boom. Put the cap. 1 second. Alrighty. Picture the truck. Sheesh. Clean with it. Yeah. Alright, we still have a bunch of things. Headliners, seats. I want new headlights. Big brake kit. Who knows when that's gonna happen. New dash. Shoot, who knows? Rear deer service, that's easy. The valence. Need LED fog lights. I want new carpet. Okay. That I did have somebody gonna do that, but they never responded back. I was gonna pay them too, but whatever. But it's pretty much for the base knob, so it doesn't just, it's hanging on the steering wheel, just literally hanging off. Starlight, I want to buff the whole truck. Retint the brow or windshield tint. And shorten my subwire because I hear a rattle every once in a while. But other than that, that's it. So yeah, that's pretty much the end of the vlog. I just wanted to give you an update. It was like 2 days later. But it is what it is. So I will catch you guys in the next one.